Great ideas rarely happen in isolation. They spark when people come together, whether they're designing, writing, developing, or reviewing. A creative team includes people with different roles, tools, and ways of working. That's where things can get complicated, though. You've probably been there. Feedback scattered across emails, Slack threads, and sticky notes. Files with names like final, brand concept V3, and a deadline that's not moving. I've been there too, and that's why I want to show you how Firefly Boards can help. Let's break it down. Firefly Boards is like an infinite canvas designed for creative exploration. I'm not talking about just another whiteboard, or even somewhere to just mood board. It's actually a shared visual space where you can collect inspiration, generate new directions, and shape concepts with others. Say your team is building an identity for a new coffee brand, something bold, friendly, and a little playful. You start a new canvas and drop in a few sketches, color swatches, and reference images. Your copywriter adds a few tagline ideas. Your art director reacts with a thumbs up. Already, you've got a shared visual language, and no one's wondering which version is the latest. But here's where Firefly Boards really stands out. You don't have to stop at collecting ideas. You can create new ones right on the board. Think of it like a unified hub where you can make changes to a Photoshop file or use Firefly AI to remix colors, textures, and styles from your inspiration. You don't even need to write a prompt. Just select what you like and generate. It's fast, intuitive, and built for riffing. And it's like having your whole studio in one place. No more toggling between apps. Firefly Boards makes it easy to try things, compare directions, and evolve ideas in real time or asynchronously. It gives your team a space to think out loud, visually. As the project moves forward, feedback starts coming in. The marketing team pins a comment. The brand lead notes their approval. You refine your ideas and group them together in a cohesive theme. All this is happening right on the board. Your team compares options side by side and lands on a direction that feels fresh and on brand. As the identity comes together, your team uses the board to track progress before getting a final pitch ready for the client. Let's pause and talk about what makes Firefly Boards different from other tools. It's great for the open-ended, magical early steps of creativity, not just for notes or approvals. It has generative AI features built right into the canvas, so you can go from inspiration to iteration without switching tools. It's simple to use, with drag and drop ease and no steep learning curve. It's a unified hub for images, video, text, shapes, and even Creative Cloud files. Organize them however you like. And if you update a file in Photoshop, updates auto-refresh in Boards. Boards is collaborative in a way that supports your creative flow, not interrupts it. When your concept is ready to move forward, you can bring it into Illustrator or Photoshop to refine and finalize. You didn't watch this just to learn about another tool, though. You watched this to find a better way to work. Whether you're a designer building a brand system, a marketer shaping a campaign, or a business leader guiding a team towards a shared vision, Firefly Boards gives you a space to think creatively in an organized way. Now that you know what Firefly Boards is, see how it can help you. Stay in the flow by keeping everything, inspiration, feedback, and new ideas in one place. Use generative AI to explore directions faster without needing to write a single prompt. Collaborate early, not just at the review stage, so your team can shape the work together from the start. Keep things simple, visual, and flexible, because creativity doesn't follow a straight line. So whether you're sketching out a new campaign, building a pitch, or just trying to get unstuck, Firefly Boards is here to help you move from what if to what's next.